Rowabi is a software platform that promises to streamline your workflow, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're already comparing it to other platforms like Monday.com or Asana, or you're just starting your search, this video will help you figure out if Rowabi is the right fit for you. Stick around because, by the end, I'll share the best way to try Rowabi for free. First up, Rowabi offers a solid range of features aimed at productivity management and collaboration. But here's the thing, while it does a lot of things well, it's not as feature-heavy as some other tools, like ClickUp or Trello. So, if you're someone who likes every tool under the sun in one platform, you may find Rowabi a bit minimal. However, its simplicity could be an advantage for those who don't want to get lost in complexity. Next thing, Rowabi stands out with its intuitive interface. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of options in other platforms, you'll appreciate Rowabi's clean and user-friendly layout. You won't have to go through endless tutorials to figure out how to start organizing your projects. This is a big selling point compared to tools like Monday.com, which can feel clunky for new users. The third thing you should know is about Rowabi's customization options. Unlike some competitors that offer limited personalization, Rowabi allows you to tailor your workflows, boards, and project views in ways that match your business needs. However, if you require very specific integrations or automation, this might not be as robust as, say, a system like Asana or ClickUp, which have a larger selection of integrations and advanced automation capabilities. Moving on, Rowabi's collaboration tools are definitely worth noting. With features like real-time chat and file sharing, it's a solid platform for teams that want to work together efficiently. However, when compared to a heavyweight like Slack or Microsoft Teams, Rowabi's chat functionality is more basic. It works fine for smaller teams, but larger teams, or those who rely heavily on communication, might find it lacking. The fifth thing I'd like to point out is the pricing structure. Rowabi offers a fairly competitive pricing plan, especially for small businesses and teams looking for an affordable solution. In comparison to more expensive platforms like Monday.com, Rowabi can seem like a great deal for basic project management. But if your team requires advanced reporting or highly detailed analytics, the features might not stretch as far as those offered by higher-end platforms. Next thing, one of Rowabi's most impressive features is its mobile app. Many project management tools fail to offer a smooth mobile experience, but Rowabi excels in this area. Whether you're on the go or just away from your computer, you'll have the ability to track tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay updated on the progress of projects without losing any functionality. This makes Rowabi a great option for teams who need to work remotely or in the field. The last thing I'll mention is customer support. Rowabi provides reliable customer service, but it may not be as quick or comprehensive as what you'll find with larger platforms like Asana or Monday.com. However, they do have a strong knowledge base and community forums where you can find helpful tips and solutions to common problems. To wrap things up, Rowabi is a great option if you value simplicity, ease of use, and an intuitive interface. It's best suited for smaller teams or businesses that don't need every feature under the sun, but still want a robust platform to manage tasks and projects effectively. If you're considering Rowabi, the best way to try it out is by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial for the software and some exclusive benefits to get you started. Don't miss out. Try Rowabi today and see if it's the right fit for your team.